Welcome to my channel, Learn with Angelia. Today, we're gonna do something fun. I'm gonna be showing you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay, first I'm going to show you the pieces of the cube. So to start off, we have the center pieces. And the center pieces are always going to stay the same, no matter how scrambled you make the cube. You can use them as your anchor pieces to know where each color is going to end up. So these pieces are going to be your home pieces. The next pieces are the corner pieces. And the corner pieces have 3 different colors on them and are on the corners. And the third type of piece is the middle pieces, and they only have 2 colors on them. Okay, so now let's go over to the very first algorithm, and it goes like this: right side up, top clockwise, down, counterclockwise. So just practice that a few times because that's going to help you solve a majority of the cube. And the left is similar. So it goes like left face up, counterclockwise, left down, clockwise. If you're just starting out, I would recommend to make a daisy. A daisy is a yellow center with 4 white squares around it. So, all we have to do is just search for the yellow center and start adjusting the cube to get the white surrounding it. So you have to be looking for white pieces that just have 2 colors on them, like this one. This is white and green. Let's put that up. Now we have a white and red. This is hard, we can't just easily just turn it like that. So what we have to do is turn the top like this and free a space, a slot. Put it in sideways and up. See? Now we have white and orange. So turn that over here to an empty slot. Put it to the side like we did before. So you can't just easily put it up like this because we already have white and red here. So we need to protect all of this. So first, we'll open up an empty slot and put it up. And now your daisy is solved. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you've solved up to the daisy, then great job. Stay tuned to see my next part. Bye guys! How to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube.
Why aren't you taking the video, Dad?